Phrasal verbs with pass. Pass away. Meaning, to die. My grandmother passed away last night. Pass out. Meaning, to faint or lose consciousness. It was so hot in the room that I almost passed out. Pass by. Meaning, to go past or move beyond something. I saw the bus pass by, but I couldn't catch it in time. Pass down. Meaning, to transmit or hand down from one generation to another. The family tradition of making homemade jam has been passed down for centuries. Pass off. Meaning, to present as genuine or true. He tried to pass off the fake painting as an original masterpiece. Pass on. Meaning, to transmit or convey information or something to someone. Please pass on my regards to your parents when you see them. Pass up. Meaning, to miss an opportunity or decline something. I can't believe he passed up the chance to study abroad. Pass through. Meaning, to go across or travel through a place. We decided to pass through the small town on our road trip. Pass over. Meaning, to ignore or neglect someone or something. They seem to pass over my suggestion without giving it much thought. Pass back. Meaning, to return something to the person who gave it to you. Can you please pass back my pen? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.